Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up printer sharing on your macOS Big Sur device. So this should be hopefully a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by left clicking on the System Preferences tile or button down in our dock. So go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Go ahead and select the sharing folder, and then select where it says printer sharing. Go ahead and check mark inside of that. So printer sharing allows others on your network to use printers connected to this computer. And if you go ahead and select the open printers and scanner preferences, if you had any printers listed in here, you just would go ahead and be able to select that, and then basically that would be a printer you could share. Again, you just want to make sure printer sharing is turned on like I just showed, and any installed printers should be shareable over your network at that point. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.